Hello, welcome back to the channel. I have been gone for busy for the past week, but finally I can give you something to watch. Now we're gonna start this video by looking at the models. As you can see, the snow across south. It's yeah, you can see some of it as it. Pretend you never saw a loading screen. Okay. Now here are the snow totals across just this Saturday Sunday storm across Texas and New Mexico, and then perhaps across southern Colorado especially. Several inches could fall, and maybe even a foot or two. Well, you can, if you go to like the New Mexico mountains, you can notice there's a small area of like 1 to even 2 feet. And then across Texas is a wide area of like several inches up to a foot of snow in the forecast there. So yeah. And then yeah, this is like gonna be, and then it separates into, and then it becomes like another whole system. But it only drops like light snow across northern Louisiana, which we'll get to in a minute. As we just look at this. Okay. Now here is the timing of these systems. This system is actually kind of current across. It did just pass southern Missouri, I can tell you that. And it's heading across the Carolinas as it seems like right now. I mean, while it is actually just dropping snow and rain across large area, dropping snow across southern Illinois, all the way to like Virginia's, and then also kind of across northern Arkansas, and maybe perhaps western Tennessee, or even across portions of Kentucky. Now here is the precipitation forecast. Yeah, the Northwest is gonna get like some unsettled weather this is next week. But this system is what we're talking. Okay, half an inch, like inch of rain possible for like areas, and then 2 inches could fall like locally, especially across the Texas coast. And then the heaviest rains just offshore of Texas and Louisiana. But those areas along the coast could get like half inch, an inch of rain. And the precipitation could extend all the way to like Kentucky and southern Missouri, as it does show there. And then here is the heavy snow outlook, which is the potential for 4 inches or more of snow. The potential for this day only covers like the Appalachian Mountains across northern Carolina, southern Virginia. But there is a red area of that's actually called 70% plus potential. It means 4 inches or at least will probably fall. Now this is day 3. Well, or day 3. As there is no heavy snow expected on day 2, because the system was probably just developing by late day 2. Now there is some potential across southern Colorado, New Mexico, eastern New Mexico, all the way to Texas, is for a potential of heavy snow. And yes, this kind of is like interesting, because see, this is a day 4 model, and like I just said, it is kind of interesting though, because it goes all the way to like northern Louisiana and across it, maybe even a little bit across far southern Arkansas, which is pretty interesting because this is something you don't see every day, maybe not even every year, but still. And then the heaviest snow is concentrated in like Texas. It's on day 4, which this is the day. And then it does kind of back up all the way to southeastern New Mexico. So this is expected to be a southern system. And models do, like, okay, so here is, do take this storm, like, maybe even the Gulf of Mexico. And then day 5 across northern Mississippi, extending all the way to the Virginias. As you can, that's like, this is all from the southern system. And I basically kind of honestly made, well, actually the deficit, because that's where I made my forecast in that thumbnail. And now here is the precipitation outlook all the way to day 5. The heaviest rain, well, the heaviest precipitation is obviously going to be rain because it's offshore and it's kind of, and otherwise east, 2 to 3 inches could fall offshore. 1 inch could possibly fall across southern Texas, and then maybe even possibly locally 2 inches across some portions of the Carolinas. And then, yes, obviously we do need to look out for that southern snow we're expecting as a visit. As this might basically be a Colorado low, except it might just be not like Colorado, but Colorado's storm originating Colorado. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Watch out for the snow.